Good morning, everybody. It's me again, Crazy Bag Lady. Oh wow, it's so dark. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning. It's just not natural to get up when it's like this, is it? It feels like the middle of the night. But anyway, I need to get myself ready. We've got to get Ruby to the bus stop. Let's get ready. Morning, Winifred. Morning, darling. Look how she's got her legs all comfy. Oh, morning. Yeah, we all feel like that in the morning. Right, are you ready, Ruby? See, it's not even dark, not even light. Right, let's get to school. Right, we're back. Today I'm going to be very motivated, she says. So I'm not going to waste the day. So it's literally only 8 o'clock. So kettle's on for the second cup of tea of the day. Right, first job. Empty the bin. Right, the porridge is in the microwave. So sadly this week when I got weighed, I've put £2 on, which is not the direction I was hoping to be heading in, but obviously I did have a bit of a McDonald's and I kind of lost it at the weekend, so it's my own fault, serves me right. So I'm back on it properly now. No more junk food will enter my mouth. Right, so breakfast, we've got porridge, chopped banana, low-fat golden syrup, tyres in my garden, no idea why, not sure what my hubby's on with. So it's very wet outside and very miserable, so I thought today we'll do some real serious cleaning and then we'll go out one day this week, perhaps for a charity shop rummage or something, but not sure if we're going to go out today or not, depends how much I get done this morning. So it's only 9 o'clock, let's get on with the breakfast. Here we go again. So today is so gloomy, we definitely need to get some of my cool music on and liven ourselves up to do some jobs. I need to clean my bathroom, hate cleaning bathrooms. I need to clean my little upstairs little toilet, need to hoover. It's a pretty boring day, but then sometimes when you get music on, get yourself into the zone and get some cleaning done, you do feel better. So right, let's get some music on. Cup of tea of the morning. I hope I'm motivating you. I bloody hate cleaning. I don't mind hoovering and stuff, but I'm not into cleaning bathrooms and stuff, you know, like real wet cloth jobs. I'm really not loving it. So you're inspiring me, so I hope I'm inspiring you. So if you sit on the sofa thinking, oh, I really can't be bothered, go and clean your bathroom. You'll feel so much better when you've done it. Here's to cleaning. You're not alone. We're all in this cleaning malarkey together. Windows open. So nice to get some fresh air in the house, isn't it? Right, bathroom done. Next crappy job that I need to do. For some reason on my door, it's all painted white, but for some reason this piece here always wears off and it looks so disgusting. It looks dirty. It's not dirty, it's just where the paint wears away. So I'm going to dab a quick bit of gloss over the top of that little section just to make it look a bit better. Well, that's definitely a lot better, but I think it needs 2 coats, so we'll come back in a bit and do it again. But oh, so much better than it was. The kettle's on again! I think my music's a bit loud. Everything's fine. Right, next job to tackle. So I've got my coffee with me. Next job to tackle is my little upstairs toilet with a gorgeous bumblebees on it. Right, luckily that one doesn't take that long to do, so that was a quick wash down. So tiny in here. Can anyone remember when I decorated this? It's a long time ago. I think somebody swapped the light bulb. It's very dark in here and the light bulb's not very bright at all. I think James must have swapped it, but yeah, it's really cool in here. Massive bumblebee wallpaper. Obviously it's the darkest room in the house and we just tried to experiment and do something different for once, so this is what it turned out like. It's really cool to say it's the smallest room in the house. Oh, right, that's bin's emptied, bathroom cleaned. It's definitely an everything's fine kind of day. Do you like my mug? It's really funny, isn't it? Oh, can I bring myself to tidy a teenager's bedroom or a tweenager's bedroom? It's such a mess in here. She's lovely, adorable. She's not very tidy, bless her. So it's a bit of a favour. I feel I need to help her out. So I think we need to tidy up a bit in here. Do you sometimes just look in cupboards and think, oh my goodness, oh dear. Right, I've been very in depth clearing stuff out of Ruby's room. So it's got to 1:30. I didn't realise the time. So I've rushed myself up a quick dinner. So I've got that wafer thin bread again, which is 3 points of Weight Watchers, the lesson tomato, which is 3, and a little bit of ham on the top, and a cup of coffee. My everything's fine mug. So off to enjoy my quick dinner. Right, small handful of grapes, and then I really want to carry on with my jobs. Well, so far I've filled 3 bin bags with stuff that Ruby doesn't need anymore, so it's going well. Oh, managed to make loads of rubbish. So cannot believe how much stuff is in Ruby's room. I've redone her sign, so she better keep it #tidy. So we're still dusting. We're now shaking the dusters out, so we're just wiping all the windowsills down. I hope I've inspired somebody else to get some cleaning done today. Can't go shopping every day. 10 to 3 and we're still working. Wow, what a day. So boring, but also we've achieved so much. Obviously I've cleaned all my bathrooms and given Ruby's room a damn good clear out. Right, next job. Could today get any more boring than watching paint dry? So I've just touched up that little bit on my door again. It looks a million squillion times better than it did this morning. Wow, I didn't realise the time. So it's now 3:30, but I have to get my hubby's tea ready for about 4:30 because he has to go off to work about 5ish. Oh, what a nightmare. So I've quickly put the jacket potatoes in because they take an hour. So tonight we're having jacket potato with a Weight Watchers cottage cheese poured over the top and some little roasted rainbow carrots. Right, so I've finished. It's took some tackling. It probably still looks a little bit cluttered, but Ruby does like lots of things. So I've put the sign, keep it tidy. Yeah, so she's got a telly, she's got lots of things in here to say it's only a small room. I've made her a little light up corner, so she's got a party sign, a little thing with a name on, and obviously a jellyfish. And yeah, I've done the best I can, but at least it's all tidy for her. Ah, and there's the sun just going down. So my hubby's gone to get Ruby from the bus. That's one job less I've got to do. But I'm still rushing around like a wally. Oh, I've even missed my afternoon coffee. I've been so busy. Are you okay there, Winifred? I feel like we've not seen you all day. Are you alright? Have you had a busy day? A busy day sleeping all day? Hello, Winifred? Woohoo! Winnie! I'm sure she's there. Hello! Oh, it's Bubble time. So Bubble is home to roost. So he's just come back and he's all snuggled up now in a little fluffy ball. Bubble, we love you. You're so adorable, bless him or her. So cute. All right, the tea is coming together. So I've just put my little cottage pie, what I'm having, in the microwave. Jacket potatoes are done, carrots are done. So I'm just waiting for the microwave now. And of course, my friends are with me again. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is my tea. So I've got my rainbow carrots on the side. I've got 2 small jacket potatoes with some low-fat cheese on them. And then my Weight Watchers cottage pie poured over the top. So that actually looks quite a lot of food here, doesn't it? I think it'll be quite filling. So off to enjoy it. Wow, I'm quite impressed. That was actually really nice. I really enjoyed it. It was nice. I've not had something like that for a while. So yeah, 10 out of 10 for that. It was very nice. I think my tulips have nearly had it, but they have been here, I think, about a week. So they've done really well, bless them. What do you think, Winifred? Right, so Ruby, what do you think to your bedroom?
I like it.
It's cool, isn't it? Better than it was this morning.
Yeah.
Are you going to keep it tidy like the sign says? Okay. So there's the little pudding. I'm not going to have it just yet, but that's my pudding for later. And then I'm just going to pour a bit of Greek fat-free yogurt over the top of it. And then I might have a satsuma at bedtime, and that will be my eating done for the day. Right, last coffee of the day in my everything's fine mug. Right, dears, I'm going to love you and leave you because there's a couple of bits I want to watch tonight. I want to watch the latest episode of Just Like That, which is the Sex and the City. And then if I get a chance, I like to watch an episode of Emily in Paris as well. I love watching Emily in Paris for the fashions. And I like both programmes for the fashions and the bags. I find it very interesting. So many thanks for joining me again today. I do apologise if it's been a bit boring. It's literally just been me cleaning. But sometimes when you watch somebody else cleaning, it does inspire you to get your dust out and stuff yourself. It does me when I watch other people clean. So I hope it's inspired somebody to get your dust out. So if you do enjoy just a bit of real life, then please subscribe to my channel. Come and find me on Instagram as mrscrazybaglady. Don't forget my little website is down below if you would like a mug of the day or a bag of the day or a little coaster. My Avon shop is also down below. If you spend £20, you get free UK delivery straight to your door. If you've not looked at Avon for a long time, go and have a look. They do lovely stuff. They even do like little wraps and shawls, makeup, bubble bath. They do stuff for men. They really are lovely. They do nice little bits for your house. And so if you've not looked for a long time, go and have a look. It's really, really nice. And don't forget my giveaways down below. If you can just squeeze a cheeky little entry in because we're going to draw it very, very soon this week. So I love you, leave you. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.